What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Today we're opening up some more baseball cards. Got 3 packs ready to open. So right now I'm outside, so if you hear some noises, just ignore them. But let's get into opening them. So first, we're going to be opening this one. You can see a Rays first saw it. Let's look at the odds. Oh my god, the writing. Okay, let's open them. I'm not that good at this, so at cards opening, so let's do this, okay. Yandy Diaz. I'm not good at pronouncing names either. He's pretty good. Pirates. Toronto. Next Generation. This is probably my favorite card ever. Bosha and Vladdy. Giants. Dominic Leone. Matt Duffer. Bryson Stotts. We got Jesse Winker. I need to pull a Mike Trout. We got Caleb Kenner, the Dodgers team. Washington national team. Manoah, the pitchers. Oh! A 30 out of 30. Welcome to the club. Sean Green. We got a Luz Robert. Christian Yelinka. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. He's pretty good. Taylor Rogers, Cal Stowers. We got Steely Walker, Tim Anderson, Ja Manchu, Hunter Brown, Brandon Dury. We got Shan Beber, Kevin Gausman, Sandy Alcantara, I don't know how to say his name, Burisk, Editor Scott. We got 2 J's. That was pretty good. So we got in these packs. There are, I may have ripped it off. How many cards? In the Topps Series 1. The goal of today is trying to find an autograph. There's 36 cards in one pack. That's pretty good. I got 3 of these. I have 2 other ones. We got some pretty good cards there. I want a Mike Trout because I don't have a Mike Trout yet. Oh, yo, how did I realize that? We got a blue reflective. That's pretty good. So we're going to put our Blue Jays here because the Jays are my favorite team. Okay, let's open the second one. So, I'm going to be posting more of these card opening videos because I love opening cards. And yeah. Hunter Green. He's having a decent year, honestly. So these are the cards from the first pack. We're gonna put those together. Actually, Eric Lauer, he's having a okay year. Brendan Marsh, I almost got so excited I thought it was Brendan Bell. We got a Max Scherzer, I don't know how to say his name. Colin Mitchell, I don't know him. Gavin Lux, he's having a good year for the Dodgers. Dominic Leone, I don't know his name. No one else that strikes right now, but We got nice MVPs, I believe. We got a bowl timer. The team Orioles. Yep. American League. You got Jazz. Oh, he's having a decent year. He's one of my favorite Miami players. We got CJ Abrams. I don't know his name. Him. We got Ryan McMahon. Decent. We got two. Oh, we got two. Oh, yo. Robin Yount. Dang, this is a good card. Oh, guys, okay. Brewers. Okay, so he just, second base, third base, home run. He has 13 home runs this year. 91. Oh, this is careerized. Where's this year? There we go. 8 home runs this year, 51 RBIs. That's pretty good. His average this year is 258. Ooh. Taking a hit. A Jazz Coolin Jr. Ronald Acura Jr. Christian Vacuzo. I don't know him. Dylan Bundy. Who hits? Oh, wait, no, my bad. Orioles. Oh, wait, he used to play for the Orioles. Oh, you can see that. I'm dumb. Okay, he played for the Orioles for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Angels 2 and Twins. Yeah, the Twins won. That's pretty interesting. We got Gary Schneider. I don't know him. I don't know how to pronounce his name. A Trent Grisham. I'm not good with last names. Trent Grisham or something like that. He's good. Okay, how can I not pronounce names? A Brian Ron Buxton. Pretty good. Washington national team. Wow. Kerbert Ruse. Luis Grios. For the Rays, Brandon Lowy. I don't know. Brandon Rogers. Another national. Caesar Hards. I don't know. Christopher Morrow. Paul Blackburn. Oh, yo! A Gerbio Monroe. Oh, wait, why'd I put it there? A June Soto. And a Bryce Harper. Let's go. That's one of our goals. A Bryce Harper. Let's go. I'm going to be organizing these in another video in, like, teams. Because I like to keep my cards organized. So, I'm going to make another video of that. So, if you want to watch it, be my guest and watch it. So, this is second pack. This is pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Okay, 36. Okay, this one we need a Mike Trout. We need a Mike Trout. Hopefully we get one. Okay, but first, okay, come on. We gotta kiss it for good luck. Or an autograph, that'd be sweet. So, I'm gonna be posting a bit more often. The thing is, baseball cards are not cheap at all. So, I won't be always doing card videos because I ain't rich. I don't know. Knock the camera over. Oh no. Hold up, we need to fix this. That's not good. I almost turned my phone off. That would have been bad. Okay, we good? Okay. We got Scott Barlow. That's decent. Phillies Corey Kendall. Yeah. John Bertie. Don't know him. Hunter Gurry. Decent. Eric Lonner. Wait. Is that Padres? He's guy. That's pretty good. And then Brewers. Yeah. Oh, that was a loud one. Jordan Alzer. Tony Gonsolin. Freddie Freeman. Arbanator. Willie Adams. The Braves team. MVP hitters. Aaron Judge. Do we count that? Some Mike Trout? Maybe. Pirates, Zach Thompson. Oh, the Blue Jay team. American League. Kirky. We got Arazi, Judge, Aaron Judge, and Bogarate. MVPs. American Leagues, Orioles. They have 83 wins and 79 losses. Oh my God. Finished 4th last year. Nice. And East Division, home runs, 45 to 30. Longest win streak, 10. Wow, that's actually good. Longest home, Austin, Jordan. RBIs, Anthony. Home runs, Anthony. Bat. Nice. Oh, wait, this one looks different. I may just expose something. Okay, let's just Alex Bergman. Oh my God. On all aces. Manoah! Let's go! Oh my God, and all aces. Oh my God. No way, man. I just got a freaking Alek Manoah, all aces. Oh! Another Bobby Witt. I pulled this last thing. Bro, look at the shine. I'm sorry. What? Look at the shine on that. Oh my God. Nothing. No way. Joan Dermott and Max Kepler. AJ Minter. Jorge Alfredo. Wait, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. San Francisco Giants. Brandon Belts. Old team. MVPs. What division? Old players. Kyle. Yeah, these are MVPs. Most home runs. Oh, my bad. Let me call them MVPs. Christian. Sorry, a big truck just went by. Christian Peach. Travis Swaggerty. Randall Grichuk. Louis Grace. Albert Almore. Is it this hard to... A future star. We got a future star card. That's sweet. Josh Gray. Dylan Caesar. I'm sorry if I pronounced that one wrong. Shan McLean. Rays. Ian Haps. And Giovanni Calgos. Wow. We just pulled an Aces Manoah. All aces. Where is that? Right here. Guys, oh my God. This is probably, oh my God, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Oh, you can see that, I know that. Oh yeah. And all aces. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. And all aces Manoah. Look. That is sweet. We also pulled an Alec Bergman and a Nolan Arjo. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I'm putting this guy at the top, man. That's insane. What are the chances? No autographs in 3, so... I mean, it's Series 1. Series 2 is better. They just didn't have any at Walmart. So, that sucks, but... we still got a freaking Alec Manoah all aces. Is this 2022 or 2023? Because he's down in the minors. This is... this one I opened 2023, huh? So that must have been before. Okay, that's actually sweet though. We're gonna... I'm so happy I pulled him. Oh my God. Look at the shine. Look at the shine in the... oh my God. Look at that. That is a beauty. And all aces. That is sweet. Oh my God. Look at him. That is clean too, man. Okay, these are the cards we pulled today. And these are 3. I'm just gonna put that there because it's second. So first, second, third. These are the packs we went in. Which pack I think was better? You may think I'll say this because of Alec Manoah, but if we take him out, we're gonna go with the 30 to welcome to the 30 out of 30. This is an insane. Come on, Toronto Blue Jays, huh? Oh, he does. No, yeah. And we got a leader. Wait, hold up. Is Alec Manoah? I think I pulled 2 of these. Alec Manoah's 3rd. Damn, that is sweet. I'm dropping all of them. That's not good. Bro, I'm actually being so destructive right now. But what are the chances? Oh, dang. I pulled a Bryce Harper. Final decision. Comment down below. If that Mike Trout that we got as MVP counts. Oh, yo, that's sick. The greatest hit in... dang, that's sick. I can't believe we got a freaking all aces, though. That is... holy moly, that's insane. How do we get that? Okay, we're gonna end the video now. Hit the like button if you liked it and you want me to keep doing these videos, but until then, peace.